In the heart of Kuala Lumpur, amidst the soaring skyscrapers that symbolize progress and modernity, lies a somber reminder of the unforgiving consequences when safety and accountability are compromised. The Highlands Towers tragedy. My name is Richard Mark. Alongside me are Kit Chang Ling, Hans Jiden Lim, Ang Chiong Yi, Irfan bin Muhammad Nizam, and Ku Kien Meng. The Highlands Towers was a luxury condominium complex that was built on three 12-story buildings, or also known as blocks, all addressed respectively as Block 1, Block 2, and Block 3. These buildings were built on a steeply sloped hill in the Taman Hillview area. The tragedy took place on December 11, 1993 at 1:40 p.m. when Block 1 collapsed, leaving 48 lives to be lost that day. Throughout this presentation, we will be covering some of the root causes that led to the collapse of this project, accompanied with solutions that are key in ensuring that none of the matters in question are repeated deliberately or even subconsciously.
So, one of the main causes of the Highland Towers collapse was deforestation on the hill. The hilltop behind the towers was cleared for the Bukit Antarabangsa development project that increased the risk of soil erosion. The issue was further amplified as the slope behind the towers were cleared of trees and terraced extensively. When paired with the monsoon rain, the drainage system was blocked and started overflowing. This resulted in a landslide that eventually toppled Block 1 of Highland Towers.
The first societal issues that needs to be addressed is negligence in structural design. The retaining walls of Highland Towers were unfortunately too shallow and weak. These slabs' structural integrity significantly contributed to the tragedy. Secondly, the lack of maintenance played a pivotal role in this disaster. Warning signs such as cracked walls and pavements were evident long before the tragic event unfolded. Furthermore, the issues of conflict of interest cannot be ignored. The intertwining of personal interest and professional responsibility has been a persistent problem in various industries, including construction and real estate. This conflict of interest can compromise the integrity of decision-making process, such as the quality of the material used in the construction of Highland Tower.
As stated earlier, deforestation and negligence are two of those main reasons for this tragedy. In Section 2.1.2 of the Code of Conduct, engineers can only certify supervised works with prior checking of details or undergo enough safety tests to ensure the condition is safe to live. Represents the professionalism of an engineer. Ethical principles such as honesty plays a role in determining whether engineers are truthful to every mistake and risk involved, ensuring that appropriate changes or modifications can be made. It would have prevented the collapse in the first place if engineers were honest about the flaws, instead of valuing monies over lives.
Engineers should adhere to ethical principles by always prioritizing public safety, providing honest assessments, and avoiding conflicts of interest that could compromise their integrity. It is also important to note that they are to conduct thorough site assessments and adhere to building codes. Upholding professionalism means carrying out duties competently, exercising diligence, and refusing to endorse substandard plans or materials. Having frequent inspections and regular maintenance could have mitigated the risks as well. Therefore, by implementing regular training on ethics and responsibility ensures that engineers maintain the highest standards, fostering a culture of safety and integrity within the profession. The aftermath of the Highland Towers tragedy reflects on how crucial the principles of professionalism and ethics are. Engineers can fulfill their ethical responsibility to society and improve public safety and well-being by committing to professional competence, responsibility, integrity, honesty, and diligence. Adopting these values not only prevents tragedies like this in the future, but it also ensures that engineers make decisions with utmost ethics and professionalism, catering to the needs of society. So that concludes our video, and on behalf of the group, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.